Hey, how to get more qualified leads booking in calls in the next 48 hours. Now, over the next 3 minutes, I'll show you how to fix your application page so that more high quality leads actually book in a call. And you're going to stop wasting time when those people aren't serious. We hate that, don't we? Want my fill in the blanks application page template so you can get more book calls without guessing what to write? Drop the word apply below so I can send this over to you. Hey, I'm Tina Sanford, and I'm the founder of 𝗕𝗲𝗱𝗀.com. Now, since 2020, I specialize in advertising for businesses worldwide, and I've been focusing on the highly effective low-cost video ads. Now, I did retire in 2010, but at the moment I'm here to help you leverage video ads to grow your business and free up time, because that's what I love doing. So let's talk about a major issue that business owners are facing right now. You know that you're getting traffic to your application page. You're looking at your stats, you can see it coming through in your data. But let's say the data is showing that your booked call rate is under 10%. Heck, that's bad. This is frustrating because you know that you're already spending money on ads. You know that your leads are going through your funnel. You can see it. And you're doing all the work to attract the potential clients, which is taking you hours every week. And yet, most of them aren't booking, they're not converting to book calls right now, which sucks. Now, what we're finding is most business owners actually seeing the problem is with their ad targeting right now. So many people are actually trying to fix it by either changing their audience or tweaking their ad copy, which is again taking even more time, and they don't know if it's right or wrong anyway. But here's the truth. If you can see the data that your leads are landing on your application page, but they're not booking a call with you, the issue isn't with your ads. It is actually with your page. Because if your leads are arriving at the page with questions and doubts, and if they don't get instant clarity, they're going to leave without taking action right now, okay? This is why your application page must answer these 4 critical questions within seconds. I'm going to give these to you right now. First one is, you've got to answer, why am I here? As in, does this page match what they are expecting? Okay. The second thing is, am I in the right place? This means, is this offer actually for them? Is it for me? Third thing, what should I do next? You've got to make it so the next step is just obvious and easy. Okay. And then the fourth thing is kind of like a bonus. It's got to actually tell them, what happens if I do that? Do they know what to expect if they do book in a call? And you're going to find if your page does not answer these questions clearly and immediately, your leads are going to hesitate. They're going to overthink and they're going to click away. They're people like you and I. You know what that's like. But that's where the application page fixes come in, okay? We find by making simple tweaks on your page layout, copy and call to action, you can dramatically increase booked calls and do this without increasing your ad spend too. I want to share with you why this works. First of all, it eliminates confusion. So the people coming through take action instead of bouncing off your page because they're not sure. Okay. The second thing it does, it actually filters out unqualified leads. So you only talk to serious buyers and stop wasting your precious time. And the third thing it actually does, which is cool, actually removes friction. It's making it easier for them to say yes and book a call and actually feel excited about booking the call too. Now, if you are finding that you're getting less than 10% leads booking in right now from your page, and you can see in your data that they're arriving and then moving off, I can send you my fill in the blanks application page template. It's a bit of a mouthful, but you know what it is, okay? And that's so you can get more booked calls, all without having to guess what to write. And if you want this, just drop the word apply below. I can send this over to you. And with this in place, you're going to see more high quality leads booking calls. So those people who are landing on your page and then getting confused and disappearing off, land on your page and go, yay, I'm in the right place, and book a call in with you. And then you can focus on closing your deals instead of that wondering why people aren't taking action right now.